Hi. I promise I'll stop being so weird eventually. Just kidding, I won't. So today I did the table number with DIYs and I literally love them so much. So the last video I made was how to use Canva to make the PDF for this. And then I ended up getting 4x6 frames, which I thought were gonna be too small, so I ended up starting a return on them. And then today I was like, you know what? I should just try and see if I like it. I liked it. So, without further ado, let's look at them and then I'll get into how I made them. And honestly, it's self-explanatory, but the Canva is probably the hardest part. The next hardest is finding the stuff that you like and that you know you're going to like. So if this is your cup of tea and you love these frames and you like them, they're going to be linked down below. I don't get anything out of it. I literally have probably one subscriber and it's my dad. So I will just have them linked below if anyone is like me and wants to see things before they do it, because I was about to do all of these and then cry if they didn't work out because I wasn't sure. The one thing I have an issue with is gold to everyone is a different gold. I want a gold like a jewelry gold. I just want it to match my ring. This is the one gold I got. That's my dad. Beep. Okay. So this is the gold I got for the vintage frames. I'll show you that DIY next. And then this is the gold that I got. No one's gonna notice it, but I notice it, so it annoys me. I will show you the table numbers and then I have a surprise. So these are a majority of the table numbers finished. Peep my wedding veil. I don't even know if that's gonna be my wedding veil. I just got it on a whim. Okay, so this is what I want it to look like. I'm gonna practice engraving wood. I'm gonna watch a couple tutorials. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna engrave Audrey and Noah up there. I'll show you guys if it works out and I'll tell you how I did it if it works out. But if it doesn't, pretend I never said that to you guys. Next is this. This is gonna go in the center. It's the picture frame I just made, the table numbers. I'm gonna show you how I cut and put them in here, which is kind of self-explanatory, but who knows? There's a lot of ways to do, honestly. I changed the way I did it like 5 times. And then I'm gonna get like a tea light and then a thing to put flowers in. A vase. That's what it's called. Now for the exciting part. Dramatic effect. Stack it all up. Boom. There's my wedding colors right there. It's going to be orange and teal. This, honestly, light does not do it justice. It's a really pretty teal. His tux is going to be that color. The bridesmaid's dress is going to be this color. My dog's bow on his collar is going to be this color. Now for the fun stuff. I was against artificial flowers. I don't know why, but I was. But then I ordered these because my sister got them for her wedding. I can't do this one-handed. Pretend that didn't happen. Alright, this is what the flowers look like. Those are the boutonnieres. I ordered a bunch of different stuff. But that came. Then my tablecloth came. And this is, I have 2 of these in here. One's for the bride and groom's table. And the other one is for where the vintage frames are going to go with the couples. And then my bouquet. So let me rate these real quick for you. The roses are like this velvety, soft material, and in person, they look real. These ones are a little frumpy and don't look real at all, but in pictures, who's gonna notice? The roses are just stunning, though. And then it even came with, I got them from Ling's Moments. It came with different directions, and once you get this out of the box, you can pull these down, they're like wiry, and make it more full if you like to do that. I'm gonna do that. I'm not doing it now because my wedding is so far away and I don't want to ruin them. Okay, and then the only thing I had to say about this was the color was gonna sell out, so I bought everything I could in those colors, and it ended up totaling like $450. I'm gonna link their store below in case you like this stuff. And I'm gonna stop now. Okay, I re-recorded this a million times. I'm just gonna, if I slip up and stutter, I am sorry. I'm so many thoughts come to my brain, and then I just speak, and it all goes into one word. I laid out the resources. For the resources, I had cardstock paper. It's $5.76 at Walmart. It's linked below. The frames were about $25. They are also linked below. And then I printed them out on my computer in black and white. I made all the photos black and white to begin with, and then I just printed them out regularly. So here's where I made my mistake. I measured all of them like that. So I laid down the picture frame, and then I would outline them in pencil. What I wish I would have done is there's a paper cutter that I have, and what you do is you put the paper in it, you close it, and then you can slide it to, like, if you want it to be 4 inches by 6 inches, you would slide it to the 4 and you can cut straight across, then slide to the 6, cut straight down. That would have saved me probably a half hour. It took me like an hour and a half to make these, but it would have saved me so much more time if I just used the paper cutter. I'm linking the paper cutter below as well, so then you guys know what resources I recommend to use. As for how much cost I saved, I honestly don't really know because I didn't look into it much. I knew that DIYing things might be cheaper and more efficient. Well, not more efficient, clearly, because it takes longer to do it rather than ordering it and having it there in a package. But I knew it would be cheaper to do in the long run, and then I could spend money on different things that I really wanted. And I feel like table numbers are just a necessity, which I understand why they're a necessity. But now I can use my extra money on maybe the shoes that I really want or something like that. You know what I mean? And, well, you guys can't respond, but you know what I mean. So I'm looking at Etsy right now. Regular table numbers, the glass ones or even acrylic ones, are ranging from $3 all the way to $70, $80. So I honestly did save probably about 30 bucks, which now looking back, I'm like, wow, that wasn't that much to save at all. But go me. Saving every little bit counts. Okay, now I'm looking at this. If you do a gold stand, and this is like a basic table number that's acrylic. If I did a gold stand 5 by 5, I want white text, and I need, let's say I needed 20 of them. Okay, let me just beep, 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 beep. Sorry guys, I'm trying to change my stuff so I can show you guys how much it would be. So add to cart, let's see how much it ends up being. It ends up being about $136 for some of these designs. So I think you can order them cheaperly made, or not cheaperly made, but you can order them cheaper. But this was a cute touch that I liked, and it saved me money. Even if it was just $15 or $50. Every little bit counts when planning a wedding. And then that's the final look, and I'm just going to put it in the stand, and then we'll be done. I hope you liked it. I'm sorry if this voiceover was too much for you because it started being too much for me because I got confused. But I hope you liked it, and I'll see you guys for my next wedding DIY. And I hope you like the journey. And Dad, thanks for watching. Appreciate you.